यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी ने नेशनल सिक्योरिटी वर्कशॉप बलूचिस्तान के शुरा से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि कौमी यकजहती को मजबूत बनाने के साथ साथ बाखबर क़यादत को फ़रोग़ देना होगा। पॉलिसी साज, माहिर तालीम, पेशावर अफराद और नौजवान क़यादत को एक जगह इकट्ठा करना काबिल तहसीन है।
The resilience of people of Balochistan remains a source of inspiration and mutual respect. The youth of Balochistan are the province's greatest asset. Equipping them with education, skills, and opportunities within state institutions will empower them to become agents of peace, bringing together policymakers. I would like to note my recent visit to Pakistan Navy War College, where I emphasized the importance of maritime security and the blue economy. My government made a conscious effort to place Balochistan at the center national priority. A key element of this commitment was in introduction of the Aghaaz-e-Haquq-e-Balochistan package, which was unanimously approved by the Parliament in 2009.